Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Cabinet Restorer is probably one of the most sought-after products for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts looking to revitalize their kitchen or bathroom cabinets, and in this video, we will explore the top-rated cabinet cleaner and restorer on the market, comparing their effectiveness, ease of use, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. We will delve into the key features, benefits, and potential drawbacks of each product, providing you with a comprehensive guide to choosing the perfect cabinet cleaner and restorer for your needs. Number 5. Rejuvenate Cabinet Cleaner. Tired of dirty cabinets and furniture? This powerful cleaner effortlessly removes dirt, grime, and grease, leaving your surfaces sparkling. It's so easy to use. Simply apply it to your cabinets and furniture, and watch it work its magic. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and hello to a beautiful shine. It leaves behind a streak-free shine, making your cabinets and furniture look brand new. You'll love the results. It's safe for use on hardwood, laminates, paneling, and finished wood. It's gentle enough for daily use. It's safe for use around pets and kids when used as directed. For more details, check out our website. This pH-balanced formula is gentle enough for daily use, keeping your cabinets and furniture looking their best every day. What we like. If you need a daily cleaner that removes grease and leaves a streak-free shine, this is it. It's pH-balanced and gentle enough for everyday use, perfect for keeping your cabinets looking their best. This is the best choice for those who want a simple, effective daily cleaning solution. What people say. It removed years of tacky build-up. Left a smooth surface with a light shine finish. It certainly brought back their luster, took off all fingerprints as well as other random spots. Easy to utilize without too much elbow grease. This product is a good cleaner for kitchen cabinets because it won't harm the paint. Number 4. Rejuvenate Cabinet Restorer. This amazing product will revitalize your old cabinets and furniture. It fills in scratches and leaves a beautiful, protective shine. Say goodbye to unsightly scratches. It easily fills in imperfections, leaving a smooth surface. It gives your cabinets a stunning, crystal-clear finish. Watch them gleam with renewed beauty. It's safe to use on sealed hardwood, laminates, and paneling. Perfect for your indoor cabinets and furniture. For optimal results, use it with Rejuvenate Cabinet and Furniture Cleaner. Clean and enhance the natural beauty of your wood. One bottle covers up to 650 square feet. That's enough to restore many cabinets and furniture pieces. What we like. If your cabinets have scratches and you're looking to restore their shine and protect them from future damage, this is the product for you. It fills in scratches, revitalizes the finish, and provides lasting protection. It's ideal for those wanting to refresh and protect their existing cabinets. What people say. It made my tray tables look brand new. I was going to throw them away and buy new ones. Saved a lot of money and it's super easy to use. Just wipe on and you are all done. My cabinets are more than 40 years old, but these products bring them back to life. It sure beats the heck out of spending thousands of dollars on new ones. It's easy to use, and as a senior I love it because I don't have to hire anyone else to refinish my cabinets, I just use this product. It truly made my 13-year-old Shaker maple cabinetry shine. Most potential buyers asked if they were brand new. I now use strictly all Rejuvenate products my cleaning. Number 3. Parker & Bailey Kitchen Cabinet Cream. This amazing cream is a multi-surface wood cleaner and polish, perfect for restoring your cabinets to their original beauty. It's safe, easy to use, and leaves a beautiful shine. It gently cleans dirt and grease, acting as a degreaser and spot cleaner. A little goes a long way, making cleaning your cabinets a breeze. This cream revives and conditions painted, laminate, and natural wood surfaces. It's formulated to restore, clean, and protect your cabinets for years to come. It's free of wax, silicone, petrochemicals, and harmful solvents. It's low odor and safe for use in your home on various cabinet surfaces. It prevents unsightly drying and cracking, helping maintain your cabinet's finish. It's a favorite among antique experts for its lasting protection. Proudly made in the USA since 1879, it's been a trusted furniture restorer for over 100 years. And it's a 2022 Good Housekeeping Cleaning and Organizing Award winner. What we like. If you have multiple cabinet surfaces, painted, laminate, wood, and want a gentle yet effective cleaner, this is a great option. Its gentle formula is safe for various materials and provides a long-lasting shine. This is perfect for those who value a versatile and safe cleaning solution for all their cabinet types. What people say. It cut right through the remaining junk on both my kitchen and bathroom cabinets instantly. They are clean and shiny and beautiful. This product worked like a charm on my cabinets over my stove top. Despite using oven vent, grease and grime built up. This product was easy to use, wipe on, wait a bit, wipe off, in one application. Made recently restained restored cabinets like new. The cream is amazing on the doors and creates a nice shine like they have a new finish on them. Number 2. Parker & Bailey Kitchen Cabinet Cream. This amazing cream cleans, restores, and removes grease and food stains from your kitchen cabinets. It's the perfect solution for bringing back the shine to your wood surfaces. Watch as it rejuvenates and degreases your cabinets, leaving a long-lasting natural appearance. It works wonders on natural wood, faux wood, laminate, and painted wood. Simply apply it to the surface to remove dirt, grease, and grime. Rinse and repeat if needed, then buff for a beautiful shine. It's that easy. It's made without waxes, silicones, petrochemicals, or harmful solvents, ensuring a safe and effective clean for your cabinets. It's gentle yet powerful. Made in the USA since 1879, this trusted cleaner has been used by antique and furniture restorers for over 100 years. It prevents wood from drying and cracking. This versatile cleaner removes grease and food stains from all types of cabinets, including laminate and painted wood, even white cabinets. It's the ultimate all-in-one solution. What we like. If removing grease and food stains from your kitchen cabinets is your priority, and you want an easy-to-use solution, this is the one. It's simple to apply, effectively removes grease, and leaves a natural shine. This is the best choice for those who want quick, effective cleaning without harsh chemicals. What people say. Use on my kitchen cupboards. Does a nice job, easy to use, fast. Removes grime and fingerprints, little effort to get them shining like new again. The OAK cupboards had superior results, which made me sort of mad because it is aerobic labor to annually clean cupboards. PNB deepened the grain and restored luster, with a lovely morning sun sheen. My quarter oak office desk rescued from sitting out in the yard untended, dried out, scratched, believed recuperated, and always intended to fully restore, no longer needs a professional restoration. This stuff works so well at revitalizing our tired wood cabinets. House built 1980, not sure if cabinets have been replaced. I did half the kitchen a month or two ago and still looks good. This even gets off marks I thought were part of the wood because an all-purpose cleaner couldn't clean them. And the greasy uppers above our stove and microwave scrubbed clean easily. Pictures show a before and after of same cabinet door. Number 1. Rejuvenate Cabinet Restorer Kit. This kit will revitalize your cabinets and furniture. It's a simple solution for restoring the shine and protecting your surfaces. It works wonders on various surfaces, filling in scratches and restoring their original beauty. Say goodbye to damaged cabinets and hello to renewed elegance. The polymer-based formula is designed for superior performance. It seals grout and protects against future damage from water and scratches. It also offers UV ray protection, shielding your furniture from sun damage. Keep your cabinets looking their best for longer. Application is quick and easy, just one wipe-on application lasts up to 3 months. Enjoy the fresh lemon scent without any residue. It effectively removes dirt, oil, and grease, preparing surfaces for restoration. It's perfect for everyday cleaning and long-term protection. The pH-balanced formula is safe for all wood furniture and kitchen cabinets. It's gentle yet highly effective. This product is proudly made in America, ensuring high quality and reliability. You can trust it to deliver exceptional results. What we like. If you're looking for a long-lasting solution that restores shine and protects your cabinets from sun damage, this is a great choice. It provides UV protection and lasts up to 3 months with just one application. This is perfect for those who want a durable, protective solution that simplifies their cleaning routine. What people say. They look much cleaner and brighter now. I've also used it on furniture with dulled surfaces. It is easy to apply and the results are so very well worth the effort. The cleaner is great at eliminating the residue. Sometimes several applications must be applied, depending on the severity of the residue, but it leaves the cupboard free of sticky residue and very smooth. The polish is a nice complement to the cupboard after the cleaner is applied, leaving the cupboards looking almost like new. Did a great job improving the look of an almost new table. Recommend 2 coats of the protection step. The second coat makes a big difference. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.